How to choose a vase or a vessel. This is where you need to know where is it going, because that will help you determine which vessel to use. If you're using it as an accent piece, you'd probably want to stick to more of a vase. If you want it for an actual table centerpiece, you probably want something lower. So when you're sitting down, you can actually have a conversation with those at the table as well. Here's a few tips to think about. We have a vase with a shorter circumference and one with a larger circumference. The larger circumference can be something with more of a grand arrangement, whereas the simple one, you could just throw a quick stems of, I would say, roses or something simple into something with a smaller circumference, and it's more of an elegant, easy look. The full arrangement might be better with something with a larger circumference.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.